Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw pull request summaries from GitHub Actions using AI step by step clearly. To withdraw pull request summaries from GitHub Actions using AI, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a GitHub account and the necessary repository access. Next, navigate to your repository on GitHub. Access that Actions tab located near the top of the repository page. Click on the workflow you want to modify. Locate the workflow YAML file associated with your GitHub Actions. Open the YAML file in the text editor. Identify the section related to the pull request. Add a step to the workflow to retrieve the pull request summary. Use the GitHub CLI to fetch the pull request details. Install the GitHub CLI if you haven't already. Authenticate the GitHub CLI with your account. Utilize the command ghprview followed by the pull request number. Store the output in a variable for easier access. Implement AI tools in your pipeline. Use natural language processing capabilities to analyze the summary. Integrate your AI framework to process the pull request summary. Set the AI tool to summarize the pull request content. Add a step to display the summarized output in your workflow logs. Commit the changes to the YAML file. Push your changes to the main branch. Trigger the workflow by opening or updating a pull request. Monitor the Actions tab for the execution results. Review the logs to see the summarized pull request content generated by AI. Adjust your workflow as needed based on the output quality. Remember to test regularly for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.